Go ahead.
Live from Minnesota, we have a contestant to do the burping contest. If you can burp the whole alphabet, you get $1 million! We might have intermission at
Our judges are Lucy
live from California.
and Jack.
We have
Melanie! Yay! Let's
Let's
get started.
Let's see you burp.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Stop laughing. This is serious.
Okay.
Yes.
H, I,
That was a good age.
A, L, O,
That was it. You're laughing over it.
O,
Knock it off then.
U, R, S, T,
They're so serious.
U.
We're almost there.
Now look. Lucy looks at me like, no talking. Okay.
V, right?
V.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Now we have the hardest one yet. 3 syllables. We have W.
Melanie?
Will she be able to do it? Let's find out.
It might take me a couple of tries. Is that okay? How many tries do I get?
Okay, you get
We should have discussed this before.
5 tries.
Go
5
ahead.
tries.
Give it a
Okay.
shot.
O. O.
Like another try. You have to do it really high.
She got 2.
Hang on. No, I have to do the
We're
whole
gonna
thing in one
X
burp.
these boxes if you don't do it.
Hooray!
X, Y.
I can't do
See?
Come on, Melanie. You can do it. Hooray!
Oh.
She did it.
She has beaten this. This is the hardest challenge we have.
And now in about 5 minutes, you're going to hear the biggest sound you've ever heard in your life.
That's